Mail time. All right. So I ordered this yesterday on Amazon. Gotta love that one-day shipping. Okay. So I had a viewer. Should I start doing shout outs? I don't know. Anyway, I had a viewer ask me if. Let's see. Oh, this is my wife's stuff. No, seriously, it really is. By the way, this is really good stuff. This barefoot foot lotion. Not so much. I don't know about that. But anyway, I got the esinkin Bluetooth adapter. And I had a viewer ask me about this because he watched this Logitech video. And I was actually happy with this unit. I still use it from time to time. It's a pretty decent unit. But that being said, this is a Amazon top seller as well as this. And they look identical. So he asked me if this was the same thing. And I honestly don't know. So yeah, I'm going to open this puppy up. Let's see here. Oh, I don't need the knife. Wow. Oh, come on. Come on, mister. It's a little early this morning and I can't get my fingers to work. Okay, this is the esinkin. Let me pull out the Logitech real quick. Same dimensions. Are the Chi-Coms ripping off the Chi-Coms? Wouldn't that be funny? Look at that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with this for a while. A couple days, maybe a week. I don't know. It just kind of depends on how long it takes me to evaluate this. And then we're going to check it out. I think I'm also going to crack these puppies open. So stay tuned for the video on the... What is that? How would you pronounce that? Esinkin? Esinkin Bluetooth adapter? They seem to come with the same cords and everything, so is this a copy of this? I believe there's $7 price difference. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll show you.